hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to our own Facebook page. In today's video, we are gonna show you how you can make different you can make your food look way more better, and that makes it a little bit more edible actually. Children love these designs, and who doesn't actually? So see, now you can actually make flowers with these, yeah? I mean, doesn't it look nice and appealing at the same time, so that you just want to eat it no matter? Wow, and that looks like lotus. And see, that's onion and cucumber. I really appreciate this idea. Now this is looking very appealing, and you can actually decorate your plates like these, so that to make them look more appealing to children, so that they just want to eat them. And you can actually give them veggies like this way. There are competitions, there are different things, you can just do it for your fun, you can do it for the competitions, you can just learn so many ways here. So yeah, now again taking a cucumber and making palm leaves out of it, and I think coconuts are there. You can actually add some small tomatoes for representing coconuts on the tree, and we are done. Now doesn't it look nice and good at the same time? So yeah, that's how you can also do that. Just watch the video nicely and done. The next one is we are making these swans here with the help of a cucumber only. And look, now you just have to make these cuts a bit sharp, and yeah, almost done. Now the neck part, and we are done. Now don't you think it's easy? And okay, I really like this concept, so it's done. Now the next one in today's video is we are making, wow, I never thought how we can make this thing. Okay, now it's a dragon fruit, and we are just cutting them in so long strips, and now we are just making the design, and yeah, rolling it, making them. And yeah, now okay, now I got it, because after seeing the flower I thought how we will make it, but now it's easy. Don't you think it's easy? Just spreading the flower petals and almost done. Easy peasy. I really like this easy stuff which looks more appealing. Yeah, so the next one here is we are making this flower, orange flower actually, and yeah, we are making few of them, placing the cucumber. I was about to say coconut as we saw the coconuts earlier. Now we are done, I think. Now taking the tomato and done. Now the next one is we are actually a cucumber is the staple thing in the salad part. So yeah, we are making most of the designs with the cucumber, so that cucumber is never feel left out. It's the main part of the salad, so you just can't leave cucumber aside. Also, you can't leave the tomatoes. So yeah, we are using both of them in most of the designs, so that the salad is complete and so does your designs are complete. So yeah, now the flower is done, making the petals, and almost done. You can actually go to MasterChef after this. You can become your own Master Chef after this. Now, wow, moon. I mean, just nice. And now taking the carrot and making star out of it. Now that's something called, what do you call it? It's called, okay, I'm forgetting the thing. Now done. Now this one is my favorite in this whole slide. Thank you for watching.